Good afternoon, I'm Kim Baez. It has touched a nerve. Well, thousands of protesters rally in Arizona against a new state law that gives police the right to ask people about their immigration status. Some in New Mexico wonder if this is just the beginning of what's to come nationwide. Here's News 13's Maria Medina.
One lawmaker calls Arizona's new immigration law legalized racism. Opponents say the law is unconstitutional and will encourage racial profiling. As reaction in Arizona reaches a boiling point, lawmakers in New Mexico are asking,
yeah, this is really sad.
What's next?
I don't think that we should even consider doing anything like that in New Mexico. And I hope that Arizona realizes their mistake.
Representative Eleanor Chavez says the new law that gives police the power to ask about immigration status if they have a reasonable suspicion the person could be undocumented should be the federal government's responsibility.
Immigration reform is delegated to the federal government and not to the states. So Arizona really is in violation of the Constitution.
Representative Keith Gardner says the law is a classic example of a state's frustration with the government's, quote, failure to act on immigration issues, end quote.
This will give Congress the push that they need to address the issue.
But Chavez believes the root of the problem is much deeper than that.
It touches a nerve even when my kids were growing up.
She describes the law as legal discrimination, something her son has experienced.
He said that he finally threw the rock at the kid because the kid called him a brown piece of, and that hurt. And so I think that, we don't need this kind of thing in this country.
And supporters of the law say it's necessary to protect Arizonians from crimes committed by illegal immigrants. Representative Gardner says police have the right to know who they're talking to. Maria Medina, KRQE News 13.
Now, the law takes effect in July. Governor Bill Richardson calls the law a bad idea. President Obama also criticized it and called on the Justice Department to determine if it is legal.